Hi guys, it's James from Advanced In-Car Tech. Today we've been working in this beautiful limited edition Jaguar XF 300 Sport. Fantastic cabin inside, got the yellow stitch, really nice. You know, Jaguars are really going up in my sort of expectations now. They're really starting to come out with some nice models. This is the 10-inch new 10-inch display, the Pro Touch. We fitted a reversing camera for the customer who's come down from a few hours away. It's going to straighten up the steering wheel. So this is a 68 plate Jaguar XF. As I said, it's the 300 Sport, so there's a limited edition. What we've done is we've integrated, given it a Jaguar style rear wedge camera at the back, and integrated it beautifully with the touchscreen here, system here. So I'm just going to pop it into reverse. As soon as we go into reverse, you've got your optical overlay for front and rear at the back of the car. You've then got the rear image. You've got your moving guidelines, which again just are guidelines, and they do differ from manufacturer, but this we try and keep in keeping with the Jaguar styling as well. So you've got a nice clear image, and as soon as you've taken out of reverse and pop it into drive, you've then got the parking, the normal sort of parking sensors that you would get from factory. Pop it back into reverse like so. You've got your rear image, nice, clean and clear, and a beautifully big display on these as well, so they really are starting to get quite modern. If you've got one of these cars, or the 8-inch or the 10-inch, or you've got a Jaguar, Range Rover, Land Rover, any of these models, or you want a rear view camera, get in touch with us. The website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. You can get more details, send us an email, or go onto our website. And as usual, thanks for watching.